हे वेलकम बैक टू मिस केफसी। स्वागत है आपका आज की वीडियो में। मैं बना रही हूँ A3 साइज पे एक ब्यूटीफुल सा स्केच विथ अ डिटेल्ड बैकग्राउंड। वीडियो देखने में बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है। सब्सक्राइब कर लो चैनल को अगर नए हो तो, एंड लेट्स वॉच दिस कंप्लीट वीडियो। I get this order from my relative and he is her husband. He is an author and he write a beautiful book called तितलियों के पीछे. You can check it out on Amazon. Okay, let's just start the drawing. First of all, I make grids, as you know, always, because I'm not good at perfect 100% accurate sketching on a large paper. Of course, the grid is first step I choose, and you should also choose this if you are a beginner or you want the perfect sketch as it is as photo. Yeah. After making it, I just draw the whole thing as an outline. That's it. Slowly, easily, and light pencil. Then I started shading from eyes because most of artists told me to do that because eyes is the most beautiful and complicated things in the whole body. Yeah, right. So first of all, I'm gonna do the eyes and then the upper body, and then we can talk about the background. Let's see. If I say how much time spent to making the grid and outline, you can take it like up to 4 hours. Really, like I spend it more than half hour, kind of an hour for grid, and the outline takes me around 2.5 hour because it's large and I have to detail the whole background. That's why. So it could just like a little, tensionful, but you don't need to worry because the result's gonna be good. And of course, you're charging amount of money for the time, and you should, because the money is coming for your art, for your time. You're not gonna give it to like free. Don't do that. I know it's kind of struggle to make your family and friends say no, I cannot draw your drawing free. But you know what, I make some free drawings, but now I really don't. If no money, I take services from them. I give them work for myself. Yeah, you should also do that. Never do work for free, which is gonna take your so much time. So let's jump to the sketch again. Let's talk about it. After completing the eyes, I just did the whole face and then the upper body. The shirt was a bit complicated, like not complicated, but of course there was detail, like I have to erase the whole lining part. So yeah, it takes time. And then I just want to do the upper background because if I did the pants, it could just smash by my hand. So I was just thinking to completing the half of page upper side, and then we can go downside. I'm gonna stick it out, and I think nothing. I don't think anything. In the background there is like kind of studio where a library section, and here I have to make around 100 books. So I'm not gonna give the detailed thing to books, but yeah, of course I'm gonna make books a background to look them like books. Okay, and while doing this you know what, shooting the video for YouTube while you're sketching is kind of big hard work. Yeah, and while you have only one screen. Yeah, I still have one screen. Oh my god, I'm in the middle of it to take in a tablet, and at the end of this Diwali month I'm gonna take it. I'm sure gonna take it. Wish me luck, guys. So almost the upper background is about to done. You can see I did not give it a fully detailed, but yeah, I make them look like books. So one side parts is about to done. Look at this man. He's smiling with his book. The book he's holding is not his book. So her wife asked me to do an edit thing, like change the book cover with his original book. And of course I'm gonna do that because that's what we do. We do services. We provide happiness with love, joy, and a creative, amazing gift. Yeah. Okay. If you want to give someone a sketch from May, like if you want that I draw for your loved ones or your love, just send me message or DM me on Instagram @MissGiftsy. If you're one of my subscribers, you're gonna get extra 10% discount, and of course free delivery all over India. Recently I hit my 20 plus deliveries. Oh my god, yeah, I kind of feel like a victory right now. Let's talk about the sketch. Why don't I sing for you guys? So here I just did the book cover Titliyon ke Piche as her wife asked me to do that. And now I'm gonna talk like singing because I really don't much have stuff to talk about, but the half upper page is draw. And when I was doing the background, I was thinking if I did a bit more downside of paper, only I had to do black in the pants, that would be easy. So around 70% of work is completed and I'm feeling blessed. It's done within 3 days. I have college also to attend. Yeah, I cannot just sit by and do whole 20-hour works in a day. I cannot do that. I have my own life, of course. Okay. Now time to singing. Now it's time to shoot some videos for Instagram. Hey me. This shot gives me good like on Insta because I'm looking so innocent. Well, I am innocent. If you don't know me, I'm innocent. If you know me, I'm more innocent. Don't smile, baby. Okay. This shot for Instagram too. Now the bands are done, and I'm setting it. Look at the work I did. It's make me feel overwhelming. Yeah. Let's say the pan. I have this makeup brush which I used to blend this pencil. Oh my god, I like it. I really like it. And the sketch is about to done. Only downside have some work, and let's do it. It's easy, the soul's left is easy, the soul's left. I need one more day to finish this. One more day, one more day. A kind of doing the work. My love is getting cruel. I can sit for the drawing for so many hours, but for study, not a single hour. Hear me drawing the sketch, enjoying the moment I make. I like it, I love it, I want this life and the shoes are done too. Let's spread this pixie too, so the pencil don't get bland. Let's do it, do it. Now my stupidity ended. I'm not gonna sing. Okay, I just write down side में skip से तितलियों के पीछे Mr. Shivom is studio ready to deliver. I spread this whole A3 size sketch with the fixative spray so the pencil don't get bland, and I'm gonna give this delivery in a box, like a delivery box that is like round side the badminton rackets box. Yeah, that kind of box. So how's the sketch looking? Please tell me in the comment section. If you're still in the video after not just run away listening the stupid my song. If you're still in the video, just give a comment, like this video, of course subscribe it, because I'm an artist and you should subscribe me because nobody supports me. You should do that, okay? Fine, the sketch is ready to deliver. I'm pretty in love with it, and whenever I do a complete sketch, I just record so many videos because I don't know what happened to me. I just fill my whole gallery with the photos on videos for shorts. Stupidity, I do a lot of that thing, but the results, like making the video, posting some reels on Instagram, it take me like months, more than 2 months, and I don't even do. Oh my god, yeah, I recorded the video but I don't post it. I should do something with that. So from the start I get this beautiful picture and I convert it into black and white with the grid. Then I draw this outline space. Then so I pic for Instagram, of course, too. And of course few more pics because I'm mad. And then the halfway, middle way, left side, down side, this way, a zoom pic, a more zoom pic, then a fluid pic, then a little more work, this side, then this side. It's like the whole process. It just feels good, artists taking picture while they work, It's the only thing we get, happiness, and you should not judge that, okay? Yeah, I like this picture, the before one, not this one. So the complete sketch is here. This half picture looks good. A box in background, not detailed, but they're giving the feeling of book, so it's alright. Here me taking this beautiful picture. I love that picture. And the work is done. Thank you for watching this video. If you're still in the video, subscribe, like, share. Bye. Have a great life.